So here we are. In order to better understand the little that I've done so far, this simple task will help us even as we prepare for the next class. So here we have our weekly wage for some staff in a particular company. I don't know what the company is. So we have about 6 of them, and we have their different wage every week. Before they are different take home every week. So we have Ayo 6,000, we have Mr. Obi 3,500, we have Basi 8,000. So I don't know why Basi's money is a little higher than the rest. Whatever it is none of our business. So we have a compulsory contribution by each of the staff, 500 naira. Alright, so we are asked to analyze this table by calculating the total wage paid per week to all staff. So you just put in your formula and calculate the total, then end of week take home for some selected staff. So the first one have been done for you, okay, but there was no formula, so you can easily decipher the formula that was used here. Okay, so then complete the other ones. So coming to this side, we have a simple multiplication table. So for the multiplication table, it starts from 5, all right, and you'll be multiplying it with the vertical guys. Okay, so here it will be very simple. 5 times 4, it will give you what will be in this cell. 5 times 5 will give you what will be in this cell. It's just very easy. Then you do that for the others. So if you have any question, you can send me a message, or you can send it to the group anytime it opens. All right, so gradually we'll definitely get familiar with Excel. Thank you very much.